So I'll be presenting about Ocugen's OCU410 gene therapy for dry macular degeneration. I'll be presenting the phase 1-2A data at the ASRS this year. I would say that OCU410 has a very unique mechanism of action. Rather, it has a four mechanism of actions that it does anti-complement, it also does anti-inflammatory, it also works on lipid metabolism as well as overall mechanisms over the dry macular degeneration in the early stage of the disease as well. I would say that it has the potential to actually replace the available treatment options because it seems to be a one and done kind of approach by using this subretinal gene therapy. But this is too early to comment on this, but we will be learning with future trials as we move forward. I know that the results were very surprising to us as well, but I can tell you that, one of my patients who was part of the trial, she actually had an excellent outcome. And in fact, the patient started mentioning that the visual acuity has improved. I don't see the central black line. And she was very pleased with the outcome, what she experienced, even at 1 month follow up. And she's continuing to have it. So, in my patient, personally, I would say that, the visual acuity itself has improved. So, I doubt that this is a placebo effect. But again, it is too early to say because, as you said, it is open label. We will see as we do the phase 3 data as the results come from phase 2, we'll learn more and more, and that will give us more confidence with this therapy. So we are presenting this data. I mean, I'm presenting this data on Saturday, where we have also compared with the available complement inhibitors, and we see the outcomes much superior to the available treatment options. Though it is a surgical procedure, but I still feel that this is almost one and done, which will be subretinal delivery of the gene therapy, but it will still have better outcomes. That's what I'm hoping right now. This is a very interesting question, and I particularly have interest in imaging, and we have been looking into this data in terms of GA as well as ellipsoid zone, and I'm seeing that there is benefit not only on the GA but also on the EZ as well. So I believe that the sooner we treat our patients, we may be able to in fact, not only prevent progression of GA or maybe occurrence of GA as well. So, though it is too early to comment on this, and we are not targeting early MD as our population, but as we move forward, we may learn more data about these patients who have these early changes. I would say that, one of the biggest challenges I see is that, you need a surgical procedure. It is a subretinal gene therapy. So it may not be very widely applicable or adopted by many people because, many of the medical retina specialists may not be able to offer this treatment. The other thing which I feel is that, we are still looking at only 12 months data from phase 1-2. We are not seeing any side effects in our cohort, but as we move forward, we learn about this side effects over the long-term follow-up, which may just add a little bit concern, if at all there is. That's all I can think about. But I think that overall, for surgeons, this is a pretty straight surgery, and the patients are very happy with the outcome so far. This is definitely a hot topic. The clinical trial endpoints for the GA clinical trials. Ocugen is gearing up to start their phase 3 very soon, early, maybe in the first quarter next year. However, in regards to the clinical trial endpoints, we definitely will be improving the outcome measures, such as involving the more detailed analysis of OCT, which will require ellipsoid zone analysis as well as the G analysis based off OCT, as well as including the functional visual assessment tools as well.